Falcons, and welcome to the Early Bird Show. Today is Wednesday, May the 4th, be with you, 2022.
Please stand for the pledges to the flags.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible.
Please join us for a moment of silence.
Thank you, and please have a seat.
Now for today's weather. Today in Carrollton, it will be cloudy with a high of 86 degrees and a low 69 degrees with a 50% chance of rain.
Today's lunch options are mac and cheese, chicken quesadilla, pizza, or ham salad.
In the headlines, mow May is an excuse to not mow the lawn. Backyard bee conservation is all the buzz these days, with people planting native pollinator gardens, installing bee houses, and participating in citizen science efforts to monitor the local bee populations. And for a good reason, in North America, a quarter of our native bee species are at risk of extinction. That's not good for the bees, and it isn't good for us. Bees pollinate 35% of our global food supply, and many of the wild plants our ecosystem depends on.
Today in history, in 2002, NASA launches the satellite Aqua to explore the role of water in Earth's ecosystem.
Wow.
Today's fun fact is, Yoda was almost played by a monkey wearing a mask and a walking cane.
What?
Now for the joke of the day. Hey Max, what did Obi-Wan tell Luke when he was having a difficult time using chopsticks?
I don't know what.
Use the forks, Luke.
That's all for today. Let's say our motto together.
Doing your best is the key to success. I choose excellence.
I'm Max.
And I'm Evan.
That's Larry and that's Fiona.
Until next time, fly high, Falcons. Bum, ba, da, bum, bum, bum.